This video tutorial I will explain web services overview. Here you can see the server, here you can see the client, and the server exposes the web service, and client call the web service remotely over the internet via web protocol like HTTP, and it is same like calling method, procedure or function which is running on the different machine than the client. And such web services are very similar to remote procedure call protocols like Java RMI, Windows DCOM, and Corba IIOP, etc. Here you can see the organizational network. In that, four computers are there, and in each computer, different applications are running, and these applications can interact with each other using web service. The main difference between web service and website is that website is typically intended for human consumption, that is human to computer interaction, whereas web services are typically intended for computer to computer interaction. And here you can see the web application which has both graphical user interface and web service interface. Graphical user interface is for human users and web service interface for computerized clients. For example, we can take PayPal, which has a graphical user interface for human users and web service interface for computerized clients. There are multiple types of web services, and the first one is read-only web service. Here you can see the server which exposes web service, and it is read-only web service. The client send a request to the web service to get some information. For example, we can take weather web service, and client send request to the web service to get the weather information. The second type of web service is write-only web service, and here you can see the server which exposes web service, and it is write-only web service. The client send data to the web service in order to store some information in the server. The third type of web service is read or write web service. Here you can see the server which exposes the web service, which is read or write web service, and client call this web service to store some information in the server, and also client call this web service to get some information from the server. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.